learn a beautiful poem, Why God Made Teachers. Students who are inspired by their teachers can accomplish amazing things, and that motivation almost always stays with them. That's because inspiration is one of the most important gifts a teacher can provide students. A teacher that inspires is a role model and influence that goes far beyond academic achievement. Teachers give us comic artists, filmmakers, astronauts, architects, and entrepreneurs like that. Without teachers, we wouldn't have Superman, the Eiffel Tower, or the internet. Ultimately, it is the teachers who have the greatest superpower. We'll start with the poem. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends. Teachers are our special friends to help us understand His word and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see. And they help us to become a better person with each discovery. In this poem, poet describes the topic in very simple way. God is unable to come and teach all the people. So, He created the teachers as man's best friend. Teachers explain the difficult things and make him understand the world in a better way as a best friend. By teachers, help man became a better person and understood the discoveries. We'll move on next lines. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow. So we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. The teachers are also special guides to show the correct path and to choose what is right and what is wrong. The person can learn how to be strong and lead the life. In next lines, poet says, why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world a better, wiser place. By teachers' wisdom and grace, one can learn to make our world better and wiser place. So, teachers are very important in everyone's life. Teachers are boon to person. So, by this poem we learn God created teachers to show the way and they guide us to choose or decide the right path. The teachers are a special guide to everyone.